Okay, hello and welcome everybody. How's it going, Farhana? How's the script? You have it with you right now? Farhana Patel.
Yes, ma'am, I wrote the script.
It's ready?
Yeah.
Cool. So in today's class, we're going to read both the scripts and we'll divide the characters and role. Who will get which part? Uh, and I'll also show you how to go about with the storyboard.
So, ma'am,
So
are you going to do it like breakout room or just like?
Um, no, not really. I'll just show you what the storyboard is, and then later the picture that I'll show you over here, I'm gonna upload it on Google Classroom. So just in case you need it you require it for doing your assigning the task and all, you can anytime refer to the Google Classroom. I was supposed to give you all something, right? Yes, I was supposed to share a link. I did not share the link, right? Yes or no? I don't think I did. Um, oh, yeah, I'll do it right now. Should I upload it on the classroom? Yeah. Um, SDG Monday. Should I put it on streamed or classwork? Classwork.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. The link that I was supposed to give you, you had to read it so that you would know the steps of movie making, film making, whatever. I'll just put it on stream because it's just one time. You just have to read it for once. That's it. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Hello and welcome everybody. The girls team is here with their script. Farhana is ready, and so are the M&M brothers. We'll just wait for them to come. So let's start with your script, Farhana.
So, ma'am, it's like, so after I tell the story to you.
Yeah, you have to read it out. Yeah.
So I
Then,
thought,
based on your reading of the script, we'll be able to divide the role amongst your teammates.
that there's this kingdom where everything is like green and like the rivers. Ma'am, I changed it. I changed it.
No problem. I understand. When you said kingdom, I got an idea that it's no longer a society. Yes.
So then everything is green and like the water is clean and uh, like there is no pollution and stuff. But then
Mm.
one day what happens is, okay, there's this evil sinister eye who comes and uh, uh, pollutes everything. Like the whole place gets polluted and stuff like that. And then like the water is all dirty and everything. So there's this the queen of the kingdom. She gets infected, and then matlab her daughters have to go and get pure water for her. So like the daughters go, and like it's like that. So that is what I
So,
thought.
what is the plot over here? Is it the pollution of this polluting of the kingdom and then the queen getting infected, or it's about the main plot is that the daughters are going in search of clean water? Is the plot? What is the plot?
I think we'll put the daughters alive.
Okay, all right. So you don't have a fair script ready as of now.
I only have written this.
Okay, all right. Read it out again. Sorry, read it out again.
So I thought of okay, there's this kingdom and everything is clean. There's no pollution. All the rivers are good. There are trees. And then once this evil Sinisterai comes and he pollutes the whole place, like he's a king, but he does not like this land. So then he comes and does this, and then after that, the whole place gets infected, and you drink that water and you get this disease. So she drinks the water, and then she gets this disease, and only the cure is if you drink pure water, like normal water, and then
The anecdote of
yeah,
the poison will be the
yes.
clean
No, I
water.
can add something in that.
Yeah, sure. Please go ahead. Yes, we are open.
Ma'am, she said the queen is infected because she drinks that water.
Right, right.
So ma'am, we can put like that evil sanitizer that it came, that evil man. So he can be dressed like a something waiter or something, and then he gives the dirty water to the queen, and the water the queen drinks it, and then she gets infected.
That's a good point. You guys should totally consider this. Like, he's disguised as a waiter, and then that's how he's like, giving queen, targeting the queen with the dirty water. Yes, Sophia. Sophia, unmute.
The man gives the queen, that man who's disguised, he gives the poison, like transparent poison, so the queen doesn't come to her. She thinks that she's water, and then she thinks, and then she drinks, because the
Maybe,
poison
to just let people know that it's the dirty water that the queen is drinking, you all can label the glasses.
And we can also add mud in the water to make it dirty.
Then it will look dirty. Amina, here we are trying to disguise a clean water. We are trying to prove that this clean water that is seeming to be clean is not really clean. Okay, it's polluted. And then later on, so if you label it so that people, like audience who are watching will know. Safia, mute yourself.
All right.
The people who are watching you will know, okay, that's how the clean water, it seems to be clean, but it's not, it's dirty. Okay, so ask your teammates whether they are okay with the script idea, whatever. I like the idea. What do you think, guys? Amina, it's good? Okay, so maybe we can build dialogues around the script. Yes, that's a plot, that's a storyline. Yes, Safia?
the queen asked to bring water, that get me water, I'm really thirsty, because the queen does lots of work. She only
Farhana, when you were making the script, how much time did you have in mind? Like, if we make a movie out of this, how much time will it need?
Yes, Ali, tell me. Ali.
Yes, it will take 4 minutes, 5 minutes.
I want at least a 10-minute film. With all the editing, all right, the movie name and then the credentials and everything, with all the what do we say,
By that,
the
Manha?
technicality of the movie. Let's make it 10 minutes.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am,
Manha. It's
or
a
else
lot
there is
of
a
work, so I'll
underwater
get back to you.
ground
Yes,
castle
Manha.
when there is a underwater queen.
Okay, I know we can be very imaginative with this. We can be very creative with this, not a problem. But the main point is you are going to do it at your home. You're going to shoot this movie at your homes, like. So make sure you have the available thing. Safia, unmute it now.
Go to our house.
Khadija, Zainab wants to
You
attend.
are in your house, aren't you?
So how will we
That's
make
really
movie?
good.
We are in
Come
our
on, go ahead, you
house.
can do it. I saw
Safia,
it.
that was the whole purpose of showing you the Amitabh Bachchan film. They were in their houses, yet they shot a film.
Ma'am, we can see the movie in black and white, so you do not understand is that we are
But
in
this is
different
different,
houses.
ma'am.
You know what you can do? That's a good idea, Amina. You can keep the movie black and white until, like, all the bad stuff is happening, that the water is being polluted and all that. Let that be black and white. But when the daughters bring a clean water and the queen, like, she drinks and she becomes all right, then you can transit it to a colorful thing. It's one of the editing skills. I don't know. It's a very good idea though. Okay, next. Fine. Listen, okay. Just so you know, we have started with our assessment week, all right, from today. And it will go until 30th of July, 30, all right? And I am expecting your final movie, your final work, clearly, where I can just sit and watch the movie by 27th. You have a week's time in hand, next Monday. Cool. We are almost prepared with the script. We will just divide the roles right now. Yes, Sophia.
And who's Alhaf?
Good, Hashim, fantastic.
Who is this? Alhaf? A person named Alhaf
It's
is
okay.
someone.
Now,
No
Umar,
problem.
Umar.
Alhaf will learn. Oh, they just left because you acknowledged them.
Umema, you have to wait for
All right.
Ma'am, how many minutes did you tell the movie should be?
Okay, the movie should be 10 minutes. Write it down. Maybe if you don't remember. The
Ma'am,
movie
what
should
if it's
be.
not 10 minutes, it's like 5
Doesn't
or
matter.
6 minutes.
No. See, it shouldn't be less than 5 minutes. Yes, let the movie be beyond 5. If your movie ranges beyond 5 to 10 minutes, I have no problem. It's acceptable. Yeah. Okay. Who do you think, Amina? I want you to make dialogues for this movie. For this script that Farhana has, or Farhana and Amina both can work on together. How about taking up the roles? Divide the roles amongst yourselves. Yes?
And we can make a group, right? So that we
Yeah. So you want me to send you in one of the breakout rooms so that you can
Yes.
have a discussion?
Yes.
Okay. Amina, Farhana, Humaira, Safia. That's it. 4 people, right?
So we have to discuss the dialogue.
Yeah, go ahead.
Who's gonna
No,
become
we
the
have to
queen?
take the in
You
your
already did it.
script.
Or,
Okay, we have to discuss dialogue or role.
no, it's
No,
okay.
yes,
Ali,
the
Ali,
role.
Now, Ali, tell me the next word, Ali,
No,
quickly.
what are the characters in your script?
Ali's
What
already
will
colored.
list
Queen.
out and then-
Go ahead.
A
Say.
queen?
The
What do you
sinister
want to say?
eye
Ali,
has to
what
be a
say?
man, so Amna, you have to be that. Mute. Yeah?
Okay.
Wonderful. Oh, my
And-
very good.
Amina, you will become the man. No. Arey, please, Amina. Amina, I've seen your YouTube videos. Okay, you become your father.
I
So
will not hear
No.
if you speak out of
yes.
Yes. Yes.
No, Amina, if you can do it in
Everybody
YouTube
said
video,
delay.
you
I
can
said
there also.
delay, but remember, next time I'm not listening.
You're mute.
Out of turn. Manha, you are next, okay? Manha,
And then she
Why
has
are you adding a man in this?
She is already there.
Because
Yes.
the sinister eye is a man.
Go, Manha.
The sinister can be a girl also.
No.
Yes.
Can be.
Clay, Manha.
But this
define-
movie has a man in it.
Most of your friends were struggling to define Clay.
Correct,
What does
Farhana?
that mean?
Yes. अच्छा ठीक है, we'll leave Sinister Eye for now.
What are the other
Who will become the queen?
Me.
Okay, he will become the queen.
Yes, we
And the daughters Amina and Humaira.
these are some of the words.
And what
that
are
And you?
The more
I don't
words you know.
You also
That is
can become.
Sinister. You have to be the Sinister.
Yeah.
That's the only role that
Sinister.
All right. Yes.
Okay, I have an idea.
Sinister type.
Listen.
What we are learning,
I have an
we are
idea.
learning about-
Suppose we have 3 daughters.
That's what we want to teach you. Okay, you want to read.
Farana, I have an idea.
Yeah. the eldest daughter.
1 minute. We can do like this also, no? So one person can play 2 roles also.
So you're playing the script and that the third daughter
Because
is.
we don't have so many people now. Look, we don't have 5.
Yeah, we have to play double roles as well.
Yeah.
I'm only the queen. I'll do alarm.
This means
There's no king in this.
There is.
You want a king? Then we'll have a king.
Okay.
What's the plot in this?
It's an only woman land.
thank you. I saw.
No men allowed.
Isn't it? Now you had it learned. You wonderful. I saw all of you. Okay.
Humaira, what is your suggestion?
Please
What
wait,
is-
please
the
wait.
script
I'm
only.
waiting for someone.
Arey, look. There's a queen. Explanation.
Explain the script one.
That you all are doing very
Uh,
good.
You repeat, Nabas. I'm tired of repeating.
I don't know the script.
Fine, I'll repeat it.
Explain. You're the script writer.
Everyone listen it carefully. I'll
Yes,
repeat.
Musfira.
हाँ, सभी हाल से.
There is a queen, correct?
I saw.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the queen, the waiter acts like he's a waiter, and then a man gives a sinister, whatever
You did
he
it.
called it.
Wonderful. I'll check again.
Yeah, a sinister gives it to the queen, so the queen drinks it, thinking it is a water. Okay.
Remember we
Then
had about
after
Smelly
that,
Cat? So this
after
story is
that,
happening.
the
Today your assignment
the
is to
queen,
do full
the
reading history. It's
the only way to cure it is the water, a clean water. So the daughters they give it, and then the queen gets omelette, and the story is over.
Yeah, Manha, did you
Correct?
understand? Can you
Farana?
repeat after me? Manha,
Explain the story once. I still don't understand.
There was a queen, okay, who used to live in a kingdom. Fine. And then the queen, she
Okay,
was
Zaina,
like,
can you repeat what I just said?
she wanted water. So a man,
Saturday.
he
Good.
was disguised, okay, as a waiter. So and then he gave the queen of water. Okay. After that, the queen she drank the water,
Okay.
that dirty water, you know, na? That dirty water. So the
Wonderful. Good. Can
queen
Muslim
drank it.
Rizwani repeat what I
So,
said? I want to see
after
how
that,
much
the daughters they got the solution. So she gave clean water to the queen, and the queen drank it, and then she was all right, and the story is over. We can say that she was really sick, so the queen was about to die. So the daughters they called the doctor because
Okay. All right. Khadija,
the story-
can you repeat what I said?
because
I
we
think
Farana
you
even
said-
add that
you said, "I want to read,"
the
is
queen
not
was
what
really
you
sick, so
said, is it?
they
I
called the
want you
doctor.
all to read. So we have to read one page of Giving Day every day and complete the chapter by Saturday. All right? Okay. Umaima, can you repeat after me? Yeah. Okay. Khadija, I can't see you. Go ahead.
Farana, is that you are writing?
Okay. We'll make better sentences, all of you. Okay. Khadija, tell me. Yeah.
Who's doing this? Stop scribbling, please.
That's your class.
Amina Aga.
So now I'm going to read.
I caught you.
Not from the
This is
beginning.
hiding her face.
There was a boy in Divinity whose name was Roberto.
How much long is your story?
Yeah,
I
go
don't
ahead,
know.
drink water also.
Because if it is
I
5
asked you for your input, but you never gave me.
I
gave you my number to give
I
me
told you.
input.
I told you to add that
Go, go, go.
passing
Everybody drink
passing
water,
thing.
come
You will
back.
not add it.
Everybody go. Go,
How
Musfira.
about passing window, Amina?
Okay. Oh.
From the story, you
Don't
can add
do
that as a message.
Mustafa, Lightning, Mr. Thor, Ali. Ali, what are the names of your starfish? What are the name of the starfish? Ali Shan and one is Ali. Star and fish. You know, Manha, I love your dress sense.
But look, if we do that bottle,
Oh, nice. I think.
so how are we going to make it for 10
Kumar,
minutes?
what are you drinking?
We'll say the queen was feeling really ill, so she called the
No,
king.
wait, Safiya, let Amina say.
Get me water.
I like all of you. I like the way you all
Amina, please
smile.
repeat.
Hashim, I have not
Safiya,
seen
2
smile.
minutes
Can
mute.
Hashim smile for me?
Safiya, 2 minutes mute.
Hey, I love your t-shirt, Hashim.
Falana, we'll get a robot and make it a
t-shirt.
Safiya,
My t-shirt.
Safiya, 1 minute mute.
Stripe, you all the stripe.
Okay. Where is
What do
the
you think, Hashim?
हाँ, Amina, now you say. Amina, जोर से बात कर. I can't hear you.
Let's say that the story that you have made is for 5 minutes. Can you hear me now?
Amina, are you plugged in? Are your earphones attached? Because we can't hear you.
1 minute. Let's say that your story is for 5 minutes. Okay? And can you hear me?
Little bit.
Let's just say your story is 5 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Can you hear me?
No.
How do you have to say that?
Remove your earphones and try.
Now can you hear me?
Very little. Okay, mute.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
So we'll say that your story is for 5 minutes, okay? And if your story is 5 minutes, then the passing thing will become for 3 to 4 minutes, and that will total up to 9 minutes. That will be like enough for the course.
Amina, I can't hear you.
So your story is for 5 minutes,
It's
okay?
okay, Mama. I will mute everybody. And
Yeah.
thank you for letting me know. Everybody,
Now I can hear you.
the story, okay?
Your story is for 5
Thank you,
minutes,
everybody.
okay?
You are a smart children.
Okay.
You are very smart children. Okay. Now
Safiya, mute now.
is
fine.
Amina, say.
Your story is for 5 minutes. And when we add this passing thing in the end, it will become for 3 to 4 minutes. So that way it will become 9 minutes now. You're mute.
Hana. But then if we go to see that, how will we connect this bottle passing thing with this thing? Oh, wait. What we can do is these daughters na, they make this chain and good that goes to the palace. Then they keep on passing it.
What did you say? I did not hear you.
क्या लड़की है?
Say now.
I said कि
Right, okay. They were the same.
Safiya.
So now it is black.
I am saying what? Look, if this we keep and you put that bottle pass thing, how are we going to connect it to the movie? Like how
After that we can think of something now.
how to think na?
I am. What is in the ending of the story?
I don't know.
Because it's stupid and you don't know.
Arey, they get the water and the mother drinks the water
That-
and everything gets nice and then they put water everywhere.
That's a good yawn.
Falana,
Yawn,
you
yawn,
just
everybody
said
yawn except
Falana.
Umema, Zainab.
Sophia!
Mother comes from.
Arey, they take the pure water and go to their mother. Huh? The mother drinks the water. She gets fine. And they start, and what they do, they kill that evil person. And everything becomes very nice again. Yay! Happy ending.
And then the mother marries.
Yeah.
The water
So
is
in
white
the
teeth
end
and
we
pink
can add the
color and
passing
dark
thing
fur.
because it will become like a
Sophia,
necklace.
I have to say something.
Yes, I told you what to yawn. Yeah,
Acha, wait. Amina, don't speak. Humaira, don't speak. I also don't speak. Sophia, speak.
And the mother gets married to a king.
No. We don't want
Yeah,
to
what
do that.
will go in the
Mother
mouth,
gets
Ali?
married to a king. We don't have a king.
Ship will go in the mouth. Go on.
Safia Didi, if you want to speak, you can write on chat.
Chat is disabled now.
For the breakout room it's not.
Okay, I'll stop share.
Yes.
Hmm.
We don't have to like connect it to the passed on to the richest person to the poorest person, and the poorest person is the dirtiest person.
No, I get it what you're trying to say, but then how are we going to connect it to the movie? Like how are we going to make a connection? I can't hear you, Amina.
It's not going to be so much of a connection. It's just going to be like it's a message that in the
But
end.
then the audience will be like, it कहाँ से आ गया कुछ भी डाल दिया.
अरे नहीं, लेकिन topic is clean water sanitation, so that will be okay.
हाँ तो clean water
Clear. It's breaking.
No, I can hear you.
Is my voice audible?
Yes. Is Abdullah seeable? You are seeable. हाँ तो बोलो. आमिना आगे आओ.
So what do you say?
Nothing.
Should we add this idea?
I don't know. We have to make some kind of linkation.
Well, ask ma'am if we can add this idea, and if they
Yes.
okay, and we can add.
Yes, I'll ask help from ma'am. Wait. Shut up. I'll invite the host to come and help us. Alfia ma'am is here.
Bolo.
आमिना आगे आके बोलो.
Tell me what you want.
एक second.
Eh?
Amina, come ahead and speak.
I can't hear her. I can't hear a thing.
Remove your earphones.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, very, very soft, but yes.
Ma'am, so we were thinking that in the end of the story, because the story is only for 5 minutes, so in the end we can add like another scene to add a message to the story. Like everybody will have a bottle, like they're passing the bottle but from different houses, and then when they remove the water for the rich, like for the example, the richest family will have the cleanest mineral water, and the poorest one will have like very dirty water, and then the message will be like, shouldn't everyone deserve clean water in the end?
I love it. I love it. Go ahead. Perfect. Very creative.
So, ma'am, this is okay, right? We don't have to make a link with it, na? So, through the movie, don't have to make a link.
No,
Okay.
your movie can end. There can be a blackout, and after 5 seconds, you guys can come up with that message.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Done. Okay, so you can do this. Amina, I can't hear you. Please, yaar. I don't know. Should we? Safia, mute.
Say Farhana, I couldn't hear it clearly.
I said, should we leave breakout room? Yes or no? You want to be the what? Anything is okay.
Farhana, who's making a dialogue?
Amina, everyone can give their inputs, right?
Fine, I'll send it to you.
Okay. Huh? I'll make a group with all of us, okay? Okay, mute. अच्छा नहीं ले. अले. हाँ दे. Yes, so for the ending,
Speak loudly, I cannot hear you.
for the ending,
The road for the end.
yeah, the ending. Suppose we have Humara as a kid, like a small kid. And then
Today,
Farhana,
I'm
I
going
got
to
the
talk
idea.
about something
Yes.
new today. Remember,
What
learned
you can do, you know,
so much
as the
about
queen was
four
drinking the
pronouns.
drinking water,
Now,
she
you know,
felt like
yesterday
she drank
night,
half the water and then
pronouns
she
came
spit
to
it out.
and pronouns are very
no,
handy.
Safia, that will do.
Saying,
That you
"Oh,
write
sir,
in
you
the
only
group
talk
that
about
I'll
noun,
make.
noun, noun.
But
What
right
about me?
now, what
Wait,
we'll
wait,
do
pronouns,
is,
wait.
okay, we
I
have
will
to
talk
decide
about
for
you
the
now.
ending role, that bottle
Pronouns are
passing role.
nine.
Okay.
Pronouns
Okay. So, Humera, are you okay with it?
Yes.
Okay. So, Humera will be a little child, and then Safia can be. Safia, you can be a doctor, no? Safia, mute. What do you want to become?
But you said,
What would you want to become?
Queen, I said. Queen.
No. That you are. But in the last ending wala role,
Oh my God. She is very
anything.
bad. You don't know? Yeah.
Anything.
If I talk
I
about
can become
pronouns,
that because I
yeah.
don't have the doctor's
Oh,
set.
your mom. Is she
So
nice?
what do you have? Something?
My God. Umema's mommy is going to take
I have the throne, you know.
$1 if you don't do pronounce.
Throne.
Yeah. And you know,
Amina.
Musfira Sayyed's mommy.
What?
Your mommy will say,
I can
"Oh,
become the
Musfira,
script
pronounce,
writer in the
blah, blah,
ending.
blah,
I
blah."
can
Funny
speak.
she's saying that.
I can
said,
speak
"Okay,
very
No,
well.
no.
I'm going to read
Safia,
about
everyone will say their dialogue on their own.
Doctor.
Yeah, your mom.
Wait,
Mom is
1
nice
minute.
mom, no?
Safia,
Oh,
1 minute
Uma's
mute.
mom. My God,
Okay.
Uma's mom will shout a lot.
So Amina, what do you think? Like, should we keep these doctors and stuff? I mean, I can't hear you.
We should maybe keep like doctors. What do you mean by doctors?
Essay, just like we show these people.
Hmm.
Someone has a sari.
So for example,
We can just tie a dupatta.
Yeah, so look, Amina can just tie a dupatta and she can hold a matka.
Rana, I have to check if I have the doctor set or not.
It's okay, Safia.
I'm not
Amina,
sure.
I can't hear you, Amina.
why is the doctor coming?
Okay, we'll not get the doctor, but you, I'm talking about you. You can tie a sari and then you can have a matka in your hand. Essay, like you are like a village mein person. Safia, mute. Amina, come ahead,
I should
yaar.
have a
Say
doctor.
Mustafa all the time. It is so boring. I said,
My
"What
name
do I
is
do?" So I asked Ali. I said, Ali, what should I say if I don't tell your name? Ali said, Dawood, sir.
Amina, I can't hear you.
Pronouns.
Safia,
Pronoun
mute.
is what you should
Safia,
replace my
mute.
name with. I said, Ali, what should I replace your
Fine.
pronoun with?
Huh.
Can you tell me?
Yes. What is wrong with your voice today? Amina, I can't hear you.
What should I say if you want to hear me?
You type in chat, please.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes.
For example, Safia will be the first person like have the bottle. Okay.
Now I can't hear you.
For example, Safia will be the first person.
For example.
For example, Safia will be the what?
For example, Safia will be the first person with the bottle, and she will have say that
She will be the what person? Sorry.
she will be the first person with the bottle, like the throwing
Yeah,
one.
and what is she? What would she
Yeah,
be?
she
She
is
has.
the richest person. So she will
Acha.
I only drink mineral water and everything. So she'll have the cleanest.
I have an idea.
Yeah.
So Safia, suppose Safia is the richest person, and then
Somebody
we.
said, okay,
Safia!
Rizwani, what do you want to
What?
tell? Rizwani, tell me.
Please mute.
Me.
So suppose yeah, Safia is the richest person, and then we can do it like this. You have this now. Middle class, low class people like those.
That's what I'm talking about.
Good, I understood you. Look, smart me.
Listen. Since there are four people, one person will be the richest, one person will be middle class, one person will be lower middle class, and one person will be poor. Understand?
Yes, ma'am. Now shall we leave the breakout room?
Yes.
Everybody leave. 3, 2, 1.
Ma'am, the neighbors are only in the commotion like thing. There is no other role for them.
You know, you can actually use your family members as well, your younger siblings or something, in order to show Lithabo is ill. And when this Australian researcher, Mr. Smith, comes and he is like, you know, giving him all the herbal medicines. So I think, Mudappir, you'll have to make Mozam Lithabo while giving him the herbal medicines. You'll have to show, right, that you are giving and
We can show like I'll make, and we both will not be seen together. So I'll make some kind of paste, and at his home he can also make some and just like show that his father or maybe his father can apply it on him, ma'am. Because if I lie down, I look too long.
too tall, yeah. So okay, fine. So we can do that. Maybe like, you know, Mudabbir is making a paste and he's offering that. ठीक है ना? How they were passing on the specs from every frame. So we can do something of that kind. Cool. Or maybe Mudabbir can just take a scoop in a spoon and just like, you know, take your hand out of the frame, and there is a hand in Munit's frame that is coming with a spoon. That can happen. That can show that maybe, you know, Mudabbir is feeding Munib the herbal medicine or something. Uncle, I'm not feeling well. Who's this uncle? Mr. Smith. He's calling Mr. Smith uncle.
Yes, ma'am.
Let him say Mr. Smith.
Okay.
Yeah. Or sir. Let him address him with sir.
Sir, good.
Yeah. Oh boy, you've got a fever. Ha, here also, see, checks Lithabo's temperature. How are you going to do that?
Who is
Mr. Smith?
Mudabbir.
I think they
We'll do the
have a
same
thermometer
like
at the home now.
Ah, you have a thermometer at your house?
ma'am, we can do it like old days, no?
They have.
He will,
Yes.
the will put his hand like this out of the frame, and then one hand will come from here.
Like for example, if I'm supposed to, you have a pen around, Munib? Sit down. Okay, you have a pen around you. Okay, keep it down. I am giving you this pen. Okay, take. That's right. That's how you're gonna do. Okay. Wait. I will get some herb paste. Make a paste and 1 minute. Something is not right. Wait. I will get some herbs. Make a paste and eat it. Why are you eating the?
Make you eat it.
I will get you some herbs now, ma'am.
Yeah.
There should be some typing error, ma'am.
Okay. So, Ahmed, edit the script. Once I send it, you have to check whether it is structured properly.
I can't edit it. I'm using a tablet.
Later, Ahmed, when I post it
Oh,
on
okay.
WhatsApp. Wait, I will get some. No. Eats the bitter paste and describe. Ew, the paste is. Paste is bitter. Okay, but you have to. The villagers called Doctor Mr. Devara. Okay, my uncle. Is my uncle coming? Yes, he'll be there soon. Uh, Remove this dialogue. I don't want it. It's just increasing on time, but nothing else. Doesn't arrive. Rethava starts getting worried. Is late because there aren't proper roads in the. How are you going to show this? Stop doodling. How are you guys going to show this? No proper roads.
Ma'am, we in the middle just we can put a video of some other village showing
Now I have
the
an idea
proper
of that.
roads.
Yeah, go ahead, Muni. Okay, that's one idea where
Ma'am,
Mozam is saying that they
ma'am,
can
I
show.
have cardboard, so
Hmm.
we can just crumble the cardboard and we can just put it on the floor, then it will look like road.
Who's the uncle again?
Ahmad.
Ahmad. Ahmad, is there any way where you can show that the roads are not appropriate?
Ma'am, and while we'll show a video of a car bumping around the road when Ahmad is coming to the village. He'll come in a car.
And maybe we can just have a zoom in at towards Ahmad where he's just like.
Ma'am, today everything we can do it, ma'am. Everything
Today?
is easy with the technology. With virtual background and everything.
Sure, you can do that. But
But
Abdullah,
it will take a lot of time, ma'am.
yes, and
To
another
search
thing
it
is,
and
right, you are right. And another thing I'm not very keen on using the virtual background is, somewhere, how much ever it is clear and, excellent with the pixels, somewhere you see that outline of you coming.
Ma'am, but
yes.
to use the virtual background, you need to have a green screen.
That's right. Also, we are not that pro in editing as much as we have YouTubers in our class, but we are not that pro while editing a movie. And I really wanted to seem as a movie.
Ma'am, that's why I'm saying not to show Ahmad bumping, but the car dashing or
Dashing, matlab he will not reach now, then he'll meet with an accident.
Not dashing, like the car.
A car on a rough road.
Shaking a bit, like the roads aren't proper, and we can show only a video, not Ahmad in that thing. A video from Google, we can add it in our movie.
Rather, what you do, just show Lithabo waiting. Show a clock. Okay, your house clock. All right, and a time-lapse video of the clock going. So maybe you can just record your clock for 24 hours. Okay? Munib, 24 hours, and maybe we can just make it a time-lapse video. We can do that.
I can't hear you.
We learn the most.
Why?
Then just
Why can't you hear me?
Ma'am, we can hear you, ma'am.
Same, I can also hear you.
Now can you hear me?
Yes.
Safia, check your mic and audio, please. Others can hear me. How do you think this idea is, rather than taking videos from elsewhere and putting it in your movie? Copyright ka lafda ho sakta hai na?
Ma'am, but somewhere we'll have to do it. We'll show an ambulance coming. That time we'll have to show a video.
No. Just put the sound of ambulance.
Yeah, fine. We can do that.
Yeah. And maybe, we can have people, Munib, maybe there are certain people who are picking you up and taking you. That's it. And then we'll show ambulance for sound
But
while this
ma'am,
thing is happening. Yeah.
ma'am, how are we going to show someone picking you up? No one is going to someone else's home now.
He has now family members.
Acha, yes.
Kab kaam aayenge? You will also check very well. You are a doctor, Abdullah. When you check, you will have to make use of Muhammad, right?
Yes.
Then okay, moving on. So ambulance, and that is clear, fine. Let's have a little when if what has happened to you. Uncle, my dear uncle. Too dramatic, a Shakespearean script. No, let's have a. Anyway, good. There's a problem in the engine. That's why the car doesn't start. What? अरे भाई okay. How will you show this car problem? Eminem.
And the sound of the engine not starting, you know, like it just starts and stops.
1 minute. So who we are ambulance? You are speaking of ambulance and then you are showing car. Why?
This car won't start, that's why they'll call an ambulance.
What's drama you are creating?
And we have to elongate it.
I understand. Paints in front of his uncle. Let me check. It has been an hour now. The ambulance hasn't arrived. This reminds me of the Three Idiots scene. आधे घंटे में पिज्जा आ जाता है लेकिन एम्बुलेंस नहीं आती. Why has the ambulance not arrived yet? Okay, here comes the ambulance. Don't put all this here. Come on. Here comes the ambulance and all that. God, hurry up. Let me check this out. Fine.
Ma'am, this looks as if it is exciting or something, ma'am.
Huh.
Here comes the ambulance.
Then they should say, ma'am, oh,
Here comes the ice cream truck. Yay!
Ma'am, they should, ma'am, there it should come. Oh, finally the ambulance comes.
You can just add, oh, finally. Yes, you can add that. Good, yeah, Muni. What else? The traffic road every time, no traffic will continue to use hospital faster. How? The other road, it's a bit longer. Hospital quickly. Okay, now let me see. Doctor examines Lithabo. So here, Abdullah, you need to have that set up in your frame. Not good. I will take some blood samples, conduct some tests. But Muni, 1 minute. I have a question. When we show Lithabo in the hospital, does Munib have that mask and everything? Then?
Ma'am, we'll show that normal mask which people wear for coronavirus. With a pipe, ma'am, it can.
No, matlab what? You want to make a movie? Funny video bana rahe ho ki movie bana rahe ho?
Ma'am, you said the movie should have funny scenes.
Yes, but I don't mean loopholes. Funny scenes as in with your acting, with your dialogues. These are all...
Ma'am, we'll cover his face or tell him that he's sleeping. We'll not actually show the patient. We'll take yours a bit.
Abdullah, speak.
I have an idea. What we'll do is there will be a small boy who does not know anything, who's getting excited because first time maybe he's seeing the ambulance in a village and he'll be happy running around. Ma'am, you only told, na?
I did not tell this.
Ma'am, very bad idea.
Keep quiet, Yamuni. We was kidding. Come on. One minute, yaar. Unless you conduct test, you don't know whether the patient is suffering from pneumonia.
Now we don't have the
We are
equipment
not
to
doctors.
test, ma'am.
We just wrote it like this.
Clearly a work without research. Your Shakespeare had possessed you, or what?
That is the talent.
That's talent? Yeah, it is. Let's just scrap off the testing part. What do you think, boys?
It will become short.
No, it's not going to be short.
लेगा मैम लेकिन इतना एक्टिंग तो नहीं करनी पड़ेगी मुझसे ज्यादा.
No, you don't understand. Let the doctor check the pulse. Okay, maybe with the stethoscope. And Abdullah, I really want to know, how will you check the patient with Munib not being there?
That I have to think about it.
Matlab, I understand you will have to make use of Muhammad, but how?
अरे मैम
I'm
How will you-
assistant.
मैम
नहीं, Muhammad का चेहरा, how will you not show his face?
I mean, you can put an emoji on his
Matta. No. You can just show his hand that you're checking his hand, and maybe Abdullah can be in the frame, and with the stethoscope he's checking Muhammad's respiration or whatever.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can I tell something?
Go ahead.
They can do this, na? Ki the doctor comes out of the room and he's like the boy suffering from this and this. Like he does not have to show like while he's checking, right?
Right. Good idea. We can just show the boy going inside the room along with the doctor rushing in, and then the doctor just this is reminding me of those drama that comes now. कि डॉक्टर साहब कैसे है वो, हाँ खतरे के बाहर है. All right. Nice. It's going to be, see, even if you don't add humor now, it's going to be comical, I'm sure.
And we can also use the idea of that Mr. Bean, man.
What?
Dr. Bean.
Yeah.
By the way, ma'am, who's going to make the report?
What report?
There is this report now. After
The
a
statistics.
day passes,
Suckling.
No, a day passes by and Lithabo's reports come. Who's going to make this report?
No. So we are scrapping off the report part, na, Abdullah. That is what we are telling.
Achha.
So Farhana said that the doctor goes in with the patient, okay, inside the room, and the doctor comes out of the room. Khali aisa, like, you have to open the door of one of your rooms in the house, come out, and just speak into the camera saying that he's tested, he has pneumonia. Okay.
Pneumonia positive.
Pneumonia positive. Keep quiet. A day. So we are not adding all these. He'll just come. So Dr. Ethan will just speak this. Did he play in dirty puddles? Are you sure by playing in dirty puddles you get pneumonia?
No, ma'am.
Then why did you write that?
Ma'am, if you play in dirty puzzles, you'll get cold, and pneumonia is caused when you get cold and cough. Extreme cold and cough is pneumonia, ma'am.
Dude, can I add something? Let him fall into the water body.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You were waiting for that. Let's show Lithabo falling into a water body and staying there for a long period of time. Like, say, you've seen videos where they say 1 hour later.
Ma'am, what about change it to COVID positive, ma'am?
Shut up.
He's pneumonia positive.
But you
Ma'am,
don't
we
know
can
how
post it like a
pneumonia
very
is,
funny video, ma'am.
It's okay, Abdullah. Everyone is not a doctor. They won't identify.
What? What did you say? No, what khichdi you all are making? I was not paying attention. Tell me again.
Ma'am, there would be some reason why pneumonia is caused.
Exactly. So before putting that disease, you should have researched, Mozam, the causes of pneumonia.
Ma'am, I asked my father, ma'am.
Ask
Yes,
and let us know. Go.
I ask him now or later?
Now only. We want
Just a
to
minute.
know. Now he'll go and ask Abu pneumonia किससे होता है?
I have an idea.
हाँ, speak.
He would be angry at his friend, so he went to the kitchen and ate 5 cubes of ice.
You know what? Oh, I didn't know script discussion would take so much time. And it's all, time's up. We have 3 minutes.
Ma'am, leave now, ma'am. Time's up. We'll discuss it.
Yes, ma'am. 10 minutes.
हाँ मैम बाद
No
में
break.
करेंगे मैम.
Why no break?
Like this only, ma'am.
एक मिनट.
Farhana and Amina to left. They are
मैं
not
भी
in
जाऊँ?
the class. Farhana, Amina, you are
मैं
there.
भी जाऊँ.
हाँ, जाओ.
Bye मैम.
Those who want to go can go. I don't know, Mozam, but I want to speak to you. When can I call
Going to
you?
hospital
Or
or
talk to you?
what?
मैम मैं रहता हूँ लेकिन मैं कैमरा ऑफ करके रखूँ.
Mozam, I'm ending the meeting now in 1 minute, but just tell me when can I contact you, and I really want to speak to you with regard to this script.
Ma'am, today
Ma'am.
you can also conduct one more meeting, ma'am.
Ma'am, you know, Mudabbir has a personal meeting. You can join in. I'll send you the ID and the password after
Perfect,
1
ma'am.
o'clock.
Perfect. Let's do that.
Only
Come on.
our team can join.
Yes, only the boys. Okay, so
Ma'am, I'll send you.
M&M, post it in our group, the script group. Share the link. Okay, it's an informal one, but let's do it. Cool. Okay. Bye. Take care.